Alright, name is Noah Miller. This is the Noah Miller Independent Study of High School Classes, Quantity, and its Relation to Post-High School Preparation Decisiveness Project, and that for short. So basically what I wanted to do is presented with a research project, or study project, and I thought I was going to do something applicable to me, something that would actually pertain to my life, not something that wouldn't. Okay. So what I did is I took the school I was going to and I made a survey based on elective classes people were taking compared to honors classes they were taking and how that affected how they felt about maybe college or careering after schools. And this was the results I got. So this is elective classes versus honors classes, and I had a variety of questions such as like how decisive you feel about what college or what career you want to go into, and then how prepared you feel going into college, and how many career choices you were facing. And these are the three questions I took from averages, and the numbers are the amount of classes people were taking. So what I predicted for these results is more of a linear trend in them, where it would lean one way rather than this Goldilocks effect I was facing, where it was really surrounding one result, not necessarily in these first two, but more in the third question, which is the amount of classes or careers people wanted to choose. And I found that really interesting, and what I also predicted was you take more honors classes, you would be more prepared in college, but if you took more elective classes, you would be more decisive with your career basing, just getting your hands dirty in elective classes. But I really found the opposite trend, where the more elective classes people were taking, the more prepared they felt, but rather the more honors classes people were taking, the more decisive about their career they were feeling, which I found really interesting because that's the exact opposite of what I predicted. So could I use these results? As far as my studying went, or my research went, I didn't really find any other experiments like this, so it's going to be a pioneer experiment, and obviously I didn't do as good a job as maybe a lab would have done. So I couldn't necessarily use the results, but this is a basis for a bigger project that could be done.